my name is Wing, and our lesson today is the reported speech. I know that a lot of you here don't know how to use the reported speech correctly, so in this video, I will show you how to transform a direct speech into reported speech. Now, if you are ready, we can begin. There are 3 rules that you need to remember when changing a direct speech into reported speech. The first rule I want to mention is the pronoun change. When making a reported speech, the pronoun also changes because the person doing the reporting is not the original speaker. Let's have a look at some example. Marty said, "I am hungry." So, this sentence means that it is Marty who is hungry, not I am hungry, right? So, the correct reported speech here will be, Marty said he was hungry. The pronoun I would change into he. Another example. Ivy said, "I saw your sister," which means Ivy, she saw my sister, right? So, the reported speech here will be, Ivy said she had seen my sister. The pronoun I would change into she. Your would change into mine. Now, we'll move on to the second rule. The second rule is tense change. When you want to report what someone said in the past, the verb should be adjusted because the speech was made at a different time. So, the rule here is you need to go back a tense. Remember, need to go back a tense. For example, if in direct speech, the verb tense is present simple, so it will be changed into the past simple in reported speech. If the verb tense is present continuous, it will be changed into the past continuous in reported speech. The past simple will be changed into past perfect. Will be changed into would. Can will be changed into could. The other 10 changes are in this table, which I have put in your handout. So don't worry if you can't remember all now, because you will have time to go over at home. Now, we'll do some examples together. Lisa said, "I am eating pizza." So we can see that the tense here is present continuous. In order to change this direct speech into reported speech, we need to change the present continuous tense into the past continuous. So, the correct reported speech here will be, Lisa said she was eating pizza. Another example. She said, "I will help you." So, if you want to change this direct speech into reported speech, we need to change the verb will into would. So, the correct reported speech here will be, she said she would help me. Very easy, right? There are also a few notes that you should pay attention to. The first note. If something is still true or still happening up to the time of reporting, then we may use the same tense. For example, she said, "My mother is a teacher." This is a present simple tense, and the rule is we need to move back a tense, so it will become the past simple, which is, she said her mother was a teacher. However, this statement could still be true at the time of reporting, so we can use the same tense. She said her mother is a teacher is the correct answer. The second note. There are no changes to the following models: could, should, would, and might. Okay, the third rule in our lesson today is the time and place change. In order to fit the time of reporting, we need to change the adverb of time and place. I have summarized all the changes about the adverb of times and place in reported speech for you. And also, I put this table in your handout. So now we will look through this table together. If in direct speech we have the word here, it will change into there in reported speech. Now we will change into then. Today, that day. Tomorrow, the following day. Ago, before. Yesterday, the day before. Last week, the week before. Next week, the following week. This, that, this, those. Now, we will apply the 3 rules that I've taught you to do the 3 examples I've prepared. The first example. Helen said, I like this movie. So in order to change this direct speech into reported speech, we need to do 3 steps. Step number 1 is changing pronoun. The pronoun I will change into she. Next step, we will change the tense. We can see the tense here is simple present, so it will be changed into the past simple. Finally, we will change the adverb of time and place. We can see that in this sentence we have got the word this, so it will be changed into that. Helen said she liked that movie is the correct answer. Another example. It is Jim's birthday today, she said. So the first thing to do is changing pronoun. The pronoun here is it, which doesn't need to be changed, so we can keep this word. Second, we will change the tense. The tense here is simple present, so we will change it into the past simple, was. Finally, we will change the word today into that day. So, she said it was Jim's birthday that day. The last example. Mom said, you should clean the room now. So Mom told me that the pronoun you would change into I. The verb should will remain. Finally, we just change the word now into then. So Mom told me that I should clean the room then. Okay, this is all about 3 rules that I want to introduce to you. I hope that after watching this video, you can know how to transform a direct speech into reported speech. At home, try to review what I have taught you and pay attention to the information that I put in the handout. So, this is the end of my video. Thank you for watching.